Ready to hit the Texas roads. Discover the ultimate guide to obtaining your Texas driver's license with ease. From necessary documents to insider tips, we've got you covered. Don't let the process overwhelm you. Let's simplify it together. Click now to drive your dreams and get started. So hello guys and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to get Texas driver license. In this video, we'll explore how to obtain your Texas driver's license online. We'll cover the key steps, important resources, and tips to make the process as smooth as possible. Whether you are a new driver or moving to Texas, we have got you covered. Let's get started. So the first step that you have to do is just open your browser and dive into aceable.com, and we have also here dps.texas.gov. Once you do that, you have just to discover into sites or websites. About the first one, we have aceable.com. You have just to select if you want California, Florida, Georgia, Illinois, Nevada, Ohio, Oklahoma, and Texas. In this video, we're just discovering Texas, so I will click over Texas and you will find other page, which is this one. But firstly, let's know what is aceable.com. Aceable provides online driver education courses for teens and adults, focusing on safe driving practices and traffic laws. The interactive content is accessible on mobile devices, allowing students to learn at their own pace. Completion leads to a certificate for obtaining a driver's license, making the process convenient and effective. Alright, so let's get started. I will click over Texas as I did, then we have here some benefits of this Texas. First, we have the convenient 100% driving classes online on your own time. Then we have fun, like really fun lore videos, memes, and gifts. Then we have fast get your permit after 6 hours. Then we have leisure take the official tests in application with a limited retreats. I will just select teen drivers 8 or adult drivers 8. Alright, so right now let's start discovering the difference between the first one and the second one. The first one is between 14 and 17 years old, and we have a Texas Parents Touts Driver's Aid. We have firstly the option drive confidently with our TDLR approved course. Earn your permit from any device anywhere. Over 2 million families trust Aceable to graduate safe drivers, and you have to pay $75. It's a promotion, and you have just to click over enroll now and you'll find other page, which is this one. So we have here promo discount. You have just to select if you want the first one, Texas Parent Tout Drivers with a promo. We have here the promo, which is $75 for per this package. Then we have the second one, it's course only, and it's for $115. I will, for example, select the first one, and in the right you will find here the price that you have to pay, which is $90. And we have also here create your account. You have just to add your first name, your email address, your student email address, your student password, and if you scroll down you'll find also here information of your payments, such as your card and your card number, expiration date, and security code, and you select your country. You can also choose the second option, which is bank. You select your bank and you get started by adding your personal information, and then you click over this option. After reading these terms and conditions, of course, if you are agree, you click over continue. Alright, so this is for the first package. Alright, then we have the second one, which is over the people who have over or are over than 18 years old. Here we have the options. The first one, which is over than 200 for DPS exam practice questions. We make sure you ace the test, and we have also here fast same-day certificate of completion delivery. Then we have 1 free month of all state roadside services, and then you have to pay $39, and it's approximately to $40 per month, and it's a promotion, but actually we pay $75. You can just click over enroll now and you will find other page, which is this one. You have just to select if you want the first one with a promo or the second one, and we have only course here, and you have to pay $75. The second one you have to pay $40 per month per this package, not per month. So I will just select course only, and in the right you will find here the total that you have to pay, which is $96. If you scroll down, you have just to add your first name, your email address, confirmation of your email address, your password. Then if you scroll down, you'll find here the option of payment. You have to add your card number, expiration date, security code, and just select your country. Also, you can use the option which is the bank. Other bank, if you want a Bank of America, PNC, Wells Fargo, Chase, USAA, Navy, Federal Credit Union. Then you can just click over this one if you are going to terms, of course. Then we have by checking this box, I confirm that I am at least 18 years old. Then you click over continue and you get started with this one. All right. So right now let's move on to the next one, which is DPS, or Department of Public Safety. All right. So the Texas Department of Public Safety oversees driver licenses and vehicle registration in Texas. It administers the state's driver education programs, conducts driving tests, and issues driver's license and identification cards. The DPS also enforces traffic laws and promotes safe driving practices to enhance road safety for all Texas. All right. So you have just to select driver license and IDs, or you can just select here driver license. I will click over this one and you will find other page, which is this one. After just select the option that you are, if you are assistant for people with disabilities, or the new appointment scheduling and system and security incident. About the first one, you have just to click over it and you'll find this page, and you have just to add your first name, your last name, date of birth, and also your TX driver license, ID number, and your home address, city, state, zip code, daytime phone, alternate phone, email address, driver license, office you want to visit. Then we have ADA accommodation needed, ADA accommodation as well. And you have just to add your question and request, and we have just to submit form. All right. Then we have also new appointment scheduling system. About this one, you have just to click over schedule a driver license appointment, and you have to select the language that you want. Then you have to complete the fields below. So for example, we have Texas number, card number, first name, last name, date of birth, then the last four of SSN, and you click over log on. All right. Then we have also the last one, which is security incident. About this one, you have just to download the PDF of Chinese language, Japanese language, Korean language, fitness, Vietnam's language, and then you will learn more about security incident, and you get started with this Dell security incident. By the way, then you have just to, after adding your information, you have just to get started with this through all websites and you get your license. So thanks for watching. Now you have the tools and knowledge to navigate the process of getting your Texas driver's license online. Remember to check the official resources we discussed and stay organized with your documents. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips, safe driving, and good luck on your licensing journey. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.